4 T25 Torx bit screws securing the ignition coil to the side of the engine. There's one on each corner, and there's a couple on the back here. You can't really see, but we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove those. Here's a simple trick to not mix up the wires. Take your ignition coil, match it up to the original one. Identify your connector right here, which is on this side right here. One by one, go ahead and disconnect your wires. I'm going to start over here. Once you remove that one, pop it onto this one here. Do the same for the rest of the wires. Once those are all connected, you know that they're not mixed up. Now go ahead and grab your old ignition coil. I'm going to maneuver this up out of the way. Let's go ahead and disconnect this connector right here. We're going to use a pair of pliers right here. We're going to reach in and we're just going to pinch that tab. Just unclicked and just wiggle it with the pliers and it'll pop right off that coil. There you have it. You bring the new coil down into position. Grab your harness. Line that up on the side. You press it in. Press it on until you hear it click. We just heard it click. Lower the coil down into place and we'll get our 4 screws started. All right, we're going to go ahead and install all of our screws here, and then we'll go ahead and snug them down. And repeat for the back too. All right, and once they're in, I'm just going to go ahead and snug these down just a little bit. Okay, repeat for the back too. What you want to do is make sure that you press down on all of these boots and feel them click into place. And there you have it.